Apprentice of the Year, Drew Barrett. A 22-year-old Roos man is managing a team of 26 telecom engineers and is responsible for hundreds of thousands of pounds worth of business. Drew Barrett's rise through Openreach has been an astounding achievement, according to his boss. He left school with 9 GCSEs and applied for an apprenticeship with Openreach. His training took place in-house at BT's training centres across the UK, with theory courses being delivered by Newport-based Acorn Learning Solutions. As part of the Apprenticeship in Telecommunications Engineering, Drew gained NVQ Level 3 in Telecom Engineering, a BTEC diploma and an Essential Skills Wales qualification. Liam Gill. 26-year-old Liam Gill from Swansea has made a rather unusual career change, from personal trainer to engineer. He attended Bridgend College in the first year of his apprenticeship and spent the second with the training department at Bridgend Engine Plant, with 1 day a week in college. Liam completed his apprenticeship in mechanical maintenance with distinctions in all modules. He now works as a mechanical engineering apprentice with the Ford Motor Company in Bridgend. Megan Wilkins. Megan Wilkins described herself as a shy girl before beginning work on Cymru farm at Macon, near Caerphilly. A combination of working with animals and undertaking an apprenticeship in agriculture through Bridgend College has brought her out of her shell, and she's now planning to complete a degree in agriculture. Megan saw the sector as male-dominated and thought she would struggle to get people to take her seriously in the industry. But after searching for a job and convincing the owners of the family farm to take her on, she hasn't looked back. Zoey Bassam. Zoey successfully applied for an apprenticeship at British Airways Avionic Engineering Talbot Green, which was delivered by learning provider Coleg Cymoedd. She completed a Level 3 Pathways to Apprenticeship in Engineering in June, achieving the highest grade, in addition to a range of other qualifications. From an early stage, Shy Zoey took to the role and was appointed the principal point of contact between BAAE and apprentices on her course.